This defendant made it perfectly clear how much he hated the judge.
Mr. Gardenhire, I'm going to ask that you behave in a...
This is Isaiah Gardenshire, who killed 3 people in Lansing, Michigan. Gardenshire was being held at the Mason County Jail on a sex crime charge, but was released on bond. Once released, Gardenshire made an unwanted visit to his girlfriend's house, where he assaulted her and then shot her teenage daughter. His crime spree had only just begun, because within hours, he broke into an apartment where he held 2 people hostage and sexually assaulted the woman. Then he robbed them and fled in their car. The entire community was in a panic.
Residents of the Mount Pleasant area are encouraged to keep their homes, outbuildings, and vehicles locked. If he is observed, call 911 immediately and do not approach.
His photos were broadcast over the news media.
There are very distinguishing marks on the suspect, especially the star tattoo on the side of his neck. That's something that's very significant and will stand out. So if anybody happens to see this individual, we do want them to contact 911.
With nowhere to go, Gardenshire turned himself into the police. He was charged with 12 counts, including homicide, armed robbery, and criminal sexual misconduct. When he appeared before Judge Sarah Spencer for his arraignment via Zoom, he looked bored out of his mind.
Count 1, homicide, open murder, statutory short form. Count 2, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, weapon use, DNA to be taken upon arrest. A consecutive sentence may be imposed under statute if the assault is of confinement. Count 6 is unlawful imprisonment.
The audible yawns continued, but the judge chose to ignore them.
DNA to be taken upon arrest. The court may impose a consecutive sentence under statute, and it is also a tier 3 offense.
At one point, the prosecutor brought up Gardenshire's violent past to argue for stricter bond conditions.
Looking at Mr. Gardenhire's criminal history is pretty significant. His criminal history consists of violent offenses, weapons offenses, failures to appear in court.
Suddenly, sleepy Gardenshire had something to say.
Charge her with murder because she's the one who did it.